Hello everyone, I'm doing a Arduino LCD example, and pretty much this example says Hello World, and it counts from 1 to all the way up to wherever it goes, up to like I think 999, and then it starts again. So I'm going to briefly walk you through it. I have my potentiometer here, which limits the brightness of the text. So if I see right here, if I start turning it, you see the brightness of the screen lighten up, and then it also disappears. So as I tweak it back, potentiometer is also known as a wiper. And how that works is your potentiometer goes to VO right here. You see 16 pins, 1 through 16. Let me zoom in so you get, so it's not so blurry. Trying to zoom in here. So right here on top, you have 1 through 16. You're going to start over here at 1. All right, so VSS on your top, that's your ground. VDD is your power. That's going to be your 5 volts from the Arduino. So your VO is going to be your signal up to your potentiometer. Your potentiometer has 3 leads. It has signal, plus, and minus. So your plus is going to be 5 volts. Your negative is going to be ground. Your S is going to go, your signal is going to go to this VO. And that should be pin 3 on your LCD. Trying to focus in again real quick. All right, there you go. Your RS, according to the script, your RS is going to be your, give me a second, it's going to go to pin 12. Pin 12 on your Arduino. RW is going to go to your ground on your Arduino. E, which I made a mistake. I thought E was empty. E is not empty. E is enabled, is the enable, which allows you to enable your LCD. Otherwise, if you don't have this plugged in, it won't work. It won't enable the LCD. Your enable actually goes to pin 11 on your Arduino. So make sure, once you're getting through this, that make sure E is going to the right pin. It is going to pin 11. So make sure E goes to pin 11. Otherwise, it won't work. All right. So you have some other values here. These are your 8-bit pins. This is your data. This is your D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, all the way up to 7. So you're not going to really mess with D0, 1, 2, 3, but you are going to focus in on D4, D5, D6, D7. This is your data. This allows your bits to go across from the Arduino to the LCD, and it's what helps you to write. So quickly, you're just going to go through it. On D4 on your LCD is going to go to pin 5 on your Arduino. D5 on the LCD is going to go to pin 4 on your Arduino. Same thing with 6 and 7. 6 is going to go to D6 is going to go to pin 3 on your Arduino. D7 is going to go to your pin 2 on your Arduino. Okay, last but least, right? You see this A and K? A and K is actually your diode. The diode is what lights up the screen. And what A and K means is anode and cathode. So just like a regular standard diode, just like any kind of LED, A is going to be your plus, so you're going to put that on your 5 volts. And your K is going to go to your ground. Okay? So just real quick, VSS is your ground, VDD is your power, your VO is going to your signal on your wiper or your potentiometer. You're also going to have your plus and minus power to the potentiometer so that it works. Your RS is going to go to pin 12 on your Arduino. RW is going to go to pin 11 on your Arduino. E is going to go to pin 11 on your Arduino. Make sure that's enabled. And then I'm going to skip down to D4, D5, D6, D7. D4 goes to pin 5. D5 goes to pin 4. D6 goes to pin 3. D7 goes to pin 2. All right. And then after that, your lighting for your LCD, which is your anode and cathode. A is going to go to 5 volts, and your cathode is going to go to ground. So after all that is done, we're going to run your script. You're going to pull up the, you're going to go to Arduino examples. Here, I'll just do it real quick here. You go to File. I'm sorry, my bad, I told you wrong. you're going to go to, oh, yeah, I was right. Go to File, go to Examples, and then you're going to go all the way down to your LCD. That's what that LCD is. And then you're just going to run this simple little example here. You're going to say Hello World, and that's what it's going to do. It's going to say Hello World on your LCD display, and then it's going to start counting. When you're also this 16 by 2 LCD, real quick, before we run the script, the 16 by 2 means on your LCD there are 16 available positions. There are 16 characters. It's 16 characters long, and it's 16 by 2 means it's 2 characters up and down. So it's 16 long and a height of 2. There are other ones out there. They're a little bit longer, or they have 4, so it could be like 16.4. In this case, this is 16.2. It's a blue. I also have a green one that I programmed. All it does, the backlighting is green and the text is black. And this one, I like it because it's a little bit cooler because the background is blue and the text is white. I really can't change the colors. That's just how it is. I have a longer one I'm going to make a video of. It's going to be a red background, and it's a lot more characters in it, so it's going to be really cool to play around with. All right, so getting back to the script, you're going to go up here. You already got your example. This is the LCD Hello World. Just real quick, go up to Tools. Make sure your port is selected. This is the port talking to your Arduino. Make sure you have Arduino Uno selected because that's what I'm using. I'm using Arduino Uno, unless you have like a Mega or a Nano or an Explorer. Just make sure you got the right type Arduino selected. So this is Arduino Uno. Make sure you got a COM4. This is your cable going to your Arduino right here. So make sure that is got a check mark next to it. So other than that, you're good to go. So let's see what happens. So I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to run the script, and I'm going to go, and then so it turns yellow, and then you're going to see a status bar down here. You're going to see it downloading, right? Okay. And then over here on your screen is going to say uploading. Now it says done uploading. So we're going to look and see what the results are on the screen. Boom! Hello World. And it's starting to increment. So that's exactly what we wanted. All right, guys. Till the next video. All right. Bye.